Good morning, everyone. I'll be discussing about the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. The course code is 4407. Course overview. This course is divided into three units, but I have just reflected here the important topics like artificial intelligence, problem solving, knowledge and reasoning, uncertain knowledge and reasoning. So in artificial intelligence, we'll be discussing about introduction to artificial intelligence, different types of intelligent agent and their architecture, and problem solving. In that, searching, there will be informal search, formal search, uninformed search, informed search, where we'll be using heuristics and etc. Constraint satisfaction problem, CSP, AS, adversarial search, etc. Knowledge and reasoning, where we'll be discussing about the propositional logic, first order logic, what is a logical agent, how we can do the inferences with first order logic and propositional logic. Uncertain knowledge, because we are presenting knowledge whether it is certain or not, that we'll be discussing in the uncertainty topic. And different machine learning techniques will be using discussing, like support vector machine, neural network, candidate elimination algorithm. What are the different types of learning also? What are the objective of our course? To make candidate to understand the concept of artificial intelligence and different types of intelligent agent and their architecture, how to formulate a problem as a state space problem, and how to efficiently solve them, and to make student to understand the working of various informed and uninformed searching techniques and different heuristics which are used in the informed search technique, to make them to understand concept of knowledge representation, that is propositional logic, first order logic, and how to do the inferences with propositional logic and first order logic, reasoning with uncertainty, and different machine learning techniques to be understood. What are the learning outcome? As anyway, for every lecture, I'll be specifying the learning outcome of that lecture before starting. So here just we have a few learning outcomes of this course, like how to represent, how to do the knowledge representation that students are going to learn, problem solving, different problem solving techniques, and how to convert it into state space and how to efficiently solve them. Learning methods in AI. What types of learning are there? Active learning, and then there are different kinds of learning like supervised, unsupervised, like active, passive, and all. Building intelligent agent, that they'll be knowing, because they'll be knowing, students will be knowing about the different types of agent. Study the role of problem solving, natural language processing, computer vision in understanding the human intelligence. That also we are going to discuss in this course. How to formulate a problem as a state space problem, and solve them efficiently with these using different search techniques that we have already discussed. Using different machine learning techniques to find the patterns in a data. Okay. And understand the concept of expert system. What is expert system, etc. We'll be discussing. So course structures, as I have already told, that it will be divided into three units. First unit covers the introduction of artificial intelligence and different types of agent searching. And second unit covers the constraint satisfaction problem, propositional logic, and first order logic introduction. Unit third, which covers the probabilistic reasoning and introduction to the machine learning techniques, etc. Delivery format, it will be blended learning mode, means sometimes I'll be taking the combination of face-to-face learning as well as online learning. Learning activities, this is the most important part. In this course, we'll be conducting several learning activities through this Moodle platform. So all students have to appear to that and try to do this. There is a discussion forum where everyone can post the queries and answer each queries. Every participant has to post at least one query in the discussion forum. Several activities will be connected. We are going to announce, will be announcing that at the same time. Lecture assessment. There will be self-assessment, peer review, midterm, mid-exams, and in-semester exams. So self-assessment contains 30% of your total grading, which will be contents of quizzes and etc. peer review 10%, mid exams 20%, in semester 40%. What is expected participation? I want active participation of learners in the discussion forum, and what are the activities we are going to do, and in all those things. I want active participation. Thank you.